Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing as to how can we prepare for the legal reasoning section of CLAT, ALET and other law entrances. First thing that we have to imbibe in ourselves is that when they talk about the legal reasoning section, they do not expect you to know the law. They will rather teach you the law eventually when you join the law school. All they're trying to see is that if you can solve the text that they're given, the text that they give as a passage in legal reasoning has certain rules, has certain amount of law, which they expect you to apply that law in the questions that they give below, which makes it easy for us to understand as to how to prepare for this section. You have to keep two things in mind. One is that the site of CLAT consortium has a list of topics when it comes to every section. And that in the list of topics under the head of legal reasoning, there are certain broad topics such as law of torts, contract law, criminal law, etc. You have to go to that site, read the topics that are given in those sites, and then you will realize that okay, I should have a decent grasp of what is tort law and what comes under tort law. For example, the principle of strict liability, absolute liability, defamation, trespass. So have a basic understanding by reading texts and seeing if you understand what is tort law and what are the heads of torts law, and subsequently for contract law and criminal law. The second thing that you have to do is, and this is something that we witnessed in CLAT 2024 also, that they're giving passages which have already been witnessed in bar and bench, live and law. For example, questions on the data privacy, questions on defamation, questions on the recent bills passed and recent bills presented in the parliament. So you should be abreast with what is happening in the legal field by constantly reading these legal passages so that you understand the rule, and then you're subsequently able to apply that rule in the question given below by applying your mind, by seeing if the fact situation that is given in the question warrants the application of rule or if it doesn't allow you to apply the given rule in the above passage. And that is when you'll realize that you're decently prepared for the legal reasoning section of CLAT, ALET and other law entrances. Thank you and stay tuned for more.